Here's the map for the first leg. It will be a quick 524 miles to Glenn's Ferry, Idaho. One other thing before we get going. I like to pack so that I can easily take all my personals like clothes, computer, toothbrush, etc. into the motel rooms. I really like the Harley luggage for this. I leave all the bike and weather stuff in the saddlebags, things like tools, oil, rain gear, canned food and snacks, bike lock, and so on. Harley's premium touring bag has a sleeve that slips over the sissy bar and two adjustable straps that fit around the rear studs for the saddlebags between the fender and the bag. Works great and is very secure while riding. The bag comes with a rain cover. Now, let's hit the road. This is such beautiful country. I'm in Idaho, doing 80. The speed limit is 80.